Hi everyone, and welcome to the late 2024 GBP Dominator software update video. In this video I'm going to show you the existing GBP Dominator software, and I'm going to show you what we're going to update. Then I'm going to show you a testimonial from one of our long-term customers, Sherman. And this update was inspired by all the amazing content I'm seeing on my Facebook feed, with people constantly posting grids, before and after grids with new clients after running GBP Dominator, constantly seeing grids splashed all over my Facebook feed from prominent people in our industry. So I'll fire it up now. Checking settings, checking authorization, checking for updates. And for you existing members, when this release is updated, all you need to do is restart the software. It will say, hey, there's an update here, would you like to download it? And you can download it, restart it, and you'll have all these new features. So here's the software. I'll check an existing project, click next. So all this stays the same. You can add here as many locations that you'd like to rank in, up to 8. Click next. Now here is where we are going to update this software. This will be changed next time you start the software. So what we've been doing up till now is supplying amazing content about the niche or business we're in this section here, which is posted to Google Maps. And you can see we use spin tags. This has worked. You can see the spin tags in there, and this has worked amazingly well. But since the release of this new API, this one here by OpenAI, this model is insanely good. We're going to utilize that model here. We're going to add a new window so you can then add all the information about the business it is that you're promoting, and then another section where you add the utility of that type of business that you're in. And then this software will use that model to create unique, high quality, premium content every time it posts. And as you know, this software posts a lot of content. So to say that this is a significant update is an understatement. This AI we're using has blown my mind with how powerful it is, and you will see that in the results you will get from this update in this software. For non-GBP Dominator users, I'm going to show you a short video by Sherman right now, and then after that I'll come back with the new version of this software.
Most SEO practitioners, like most of my colleagues at ADHD, we use it to navigate the many thousand spinning plates with what we do, and sometimes or oftentimes we forget about the tools we have purchased a while back that we need to dust off and get working for us again. I see you, my fellow AppSumo addicts. When James Slattery, a well-known SEO practitioner, mentioned Peter Drew's GBP Dominator app in a Facebook post, I thought to myself, wait a sec, that's not a new app. Hold up, I think I bought that a while back. And what do you know? I did. I got a lifetime license back on October 16th, 2020. And after speaking with Peter Drew, he assured me that GBP Dominator had only gotten better since I first used it. Well, better late than never. I dusted it off, and I knew the one campaign I could test it on. This company was brand new, and their business category is in house cleaning. They were on page 7 with their GBP. And after deploying 2 rounds of Dominator, followed by Embedder and ending with UMB, the ultimate map blaster, I added some backlinks to the URLs generated by these apps and ran the links through speed links. After 2 days, I manually checked, and their GBP now appears on page 2 from 7. It wouldn't take much to run the apps a couple more times and watch it bump up to page 1. Now, Peter looks after the software he creates, and more importantly, he genuinely cares about his customers. His dedication to providing top-notch support and continuously enhancing the tools are evident. For Peter's sake, if you're considering GBP Dominator, for Pete's sake already, just get it. But if you're my competitor, don't buy it. It'll become shelfware for you for 4 years. Save your money, just go buy crypto instead. Peter's suite of apps, like the GBP Dominator, just keeps getting better thanks to Peter's commitment and passion. I'm so glad I made that purchase back in 2020. And I'm excited to see what more it can do for my business.
Okay, so we are back. Are you ready to see the new updated GBP Dominator software? Let's go. Very cool splash screen. Authorizing, loading data, checking for updates, preparing settings, go. Okay, so here's the new software. So we'll create the same project that we used previously. Click next. Now, we'll come back to this later, but now you need to add the full location. And you can put up to 8 locations per project, but for now we'll just do 2. Click next. This is the same, the location of your GBP, the YouTube URLs that we like posted to Google Maps. The software chooses one of these YouTube videos randomly each time it creates a pin. Now, here is the new section. So I'll remove this content so you can see the instructions here. Okay, so you enter the description about the business you are promoting and why it's amazing, including business name and phone numbers. So this is like your pitch part about the business that you are promoting using GBP Dominator. Typically, you could go to the sales page of this product, copy and paste the sales copy, paste it in there, including the phone number. And then down here, you add the utility of this niche this business is in. The utility is about why people need this type of business. And if you get stuck, ask your favorite AI. The easiest way to do this is to ask your favorite AI the utility of the business that you are promoting. Like if you're promoting plastic surgery, ask the AI what the utility of that business type is and why people need it desperately, and it will punch out. Ask it to write a 500-word article. Boom, copy and paste that in there. That can be criminal law, dentistry, whatever niche your business is in. Get a 500-word article about why people desperately need this type of business. Then that, along with your business, is what the AI uses to create the content each time it posts to Google Maps. Plus, it will then use the location that you supplied. That's why you need to put the full location of why people need it in that specific location. So the content is directed exactly at the target audience. Then that will create 900 words of absolute premium content, including entities that we know Google search algo loves, which is going to help rank your Google business profiles even higher than previously before, which was extremely successful anyway. And we know that getting the #1 position in the 3-pack is so much more critical now that in competitive niches we know that the first 2 are paid advertisements. So if you're not ranking #1, you're not going to get in the 3-pack. This is why we've done all this work to GBP Dominator. So then you go on and proceed as usual with GBP Dominator. And then from one run of GBP Dominator with one location, you get these results. This is the article content. These are the links to the maps. Okay. Here is that content. Each location will have unique content posted here. There is the embed you can use for this content. There is the map. This content is posted to your Drive account, and there's the link to it. There's the embed for that drive. And of course you need these embeds for Embedder, which comes for free with this software. Another link to the drive, a link to the presentation. So GBP Dominator posts content to docs.google.com and also to spreadsheets. The reason I show this is once you've completed your project, now that's with one location. Once you've got 8 locations, there will be 8 times that amount in this PDF that is supplied by the software. Once you've completed your project, you copy all these links and put them in your favorite indexer. I use Index Me Now, it works very good. Boom, you're all done. So what does GBP Dominator provide you? Well, it also provides you this second software, which is called GBP Embedder, that collects all your data from your previous project in GBP Dominator and uses that content to create Google sites. That uses your content from your previous project to create content-rich, very powerful, high DR Google sites with all your links in them. And we all know that Google loves Google, so this is the ultimate complement to the content you've created in Maps. With GBP Dominator, there are 3 different methods that you can use. So you can check one map, and that provides this. That will provide driving directions from all of these different locations to exactly where your Google business profile location is. Very, very powerful. That is if you check that box. If you choose storefront, you get this. You will be provided with a PDF document with all your content that looks like this. You can see how much there is. All of these, it will create all these individual maps for you, and the content, the links. So this is all of the results from one run of GBP Dominator with 8 locations. If you select service area business, and yes, GBP Dominator promotes service area business Google business profiles, and this is what you get. You get a PDF document, but with these driving directions, you get directions driving from that location out to the other locations where your market is, 8 times, or 1 for each location that you put in the software. And then with Embedder, you select your project, enter the main keyword phrase you would like to rank for. So then you simply click on this. That brings up the location where the project files are stored that you created in your previous run of GBP Dominator. So if you go to the last one, just sort by date, select that project file. It's collected all the data from the project inside GBP Dominator. Enter the keywords that you would like to rank for in relation to your business. Click next, and then that will produce this. It will create all of these sites for you on Google. Very, very cool. And let's see what the DR of these are. With a DR of 94, you've got to be very happy, and you know it's a Google site. Google loves Google, so all your links are presented on each of those Google sites created. You've got to be very, very happy with that. The absolute best news about this update is that if you are an existing GBP Dominator member, next time you start your software, you're going to get these updates 100% free. If you are not an existing GBP member, today is a very good day for you, particularly if you like to rank Google business profiles, because along with this update, we've added a really special bonus, which only appears on checkout, which is another product which complements this software perfectly for ranking your Google business profile. So you'll see that in the checkout. It's an amazing bonus offer. And then I guess I'll be seeing you posting your before and after grids of social proof on all the socials like I'm seeing with our GBP Dominator members. If you would like Pete's massive discount bonus codes, all you've got to do is share this video, like this video, and comment below, and I will automatically reply with a link where to get this offer with your massive discount bonus code. There are 3 options to purchase: the monthly option, the lifetime option, which is the best deal, but we've also offered a split payment on the lifetime offer, which people really enjoy also. So like, share, and comment on this video, and I'll be in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.